Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miracle Wilson. I create videos that shows people how to make spiritual tips. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can stop your money from moving so you don't miss anything again. You don't have to. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed before, and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload new video like this one, so YouTube will not hesitate to notify you to come and watch. Without taking much of your time, you know what you need to do and what you need to know. You need biro. Do not doubt it. It's a gift from God. And you also need cassava leaves, one like this. Okay. You also need pawpaw leaves like this one. So next thing you need to do, you need to take two of the leaves like this one here. I take two, and also take two. The cassava leaves, I take two of it. Look at it here. It's two. And you also take the pawpaw leaves. Take two of it. I take one, and also take another one. Don't take two of them in the same line. Take in another line like this one. I'm going to take in this line. Look at this here. So after when that is done, you need to keep the rest. So what you need to do, you need to bind those two things. So you need to add all of them together first. You need to put pawpaw leaf first, and the second you need to put the cassava leaf. Then you need to put the biro pen inside. Those two things right there. Then you need to put the pawpaw leaf. Then you cover the biro and you cover the cassava leaves. After when that is done, you need to tie it with rope, and the kind of rope you need to tie it with is plantain rope. Take any rope from plantain. Any rope from plantain is very important. Then tight it. Do not say the word because you don't need to. Like I'm going to tight it. You need to put it inside your wallet or inside your cupboard if you are selling shop, and your money always miss. You always lose your money when you collect money from someone you don't trust and you put inside where others are. Then when you put this biro that you are mixing all these things together inside, trust me, you will never miss 10 kobo in that particular place again, and it's 100% active and working. So when you done that, as you can see, we have the remaining leaves here. This is the remaining leaves. What you need to do in this one is you need to take this, the remaining one, then go inside bush, any bush around you. As you go inside, just set any evil spirit that always squander my money, that always steal my money. Then by these cassava leaves and pawpaw leaves, then I throw you away. Do not have access to my money from today on. Then you will now throw the leaves away. As you can see, this is the leaves. I will throw it away. Then this one, you now put it inside your cupboard. It's very important. Trust me, you will never miss anything again. Thanks for choosing my channel. I share the spiritual tips. Thanks. See you in the next video.